Hi guys, it's me again, Medic, and I bought at a toy shop a ThugRcStudios RC buggy. It said to me, they told me it was fast, so it says 17 kilometers top speed, so it's pretty slow, but it's off-roading, full off-road capacity, 100 feet distance, and it was only on for $14.99, so we're gonna unbox this. So, let's do this. My big combing knife out. Reddit 40. Yes, I know I'm a bad opener. Very bad opener. For these type of things. It's cheap RC, $14 on sale at Showcase, the TV store if you're wondering. If you've never been there. I usually only buy hobby grade unless it's a master rock crawler. What's this little box? Let's see. Feels light. Look at this. That. Let's get right. So, let's take a look at this. Let's take a nice zoom in. Nice. I don't like the plow to it. I sure don't want people opening it. Let's do this. Camera's almost dead, so I might not have enough time to... Let's check this remote. So here we go. It's an RC buggy remote. Forward, backwards, turn, turn. Takes 2 AA's. It's just a basic toy grade RC. Nothing new. So you can buy it at Showcase on their store. Thing is, if you want to get it back, you cannot get refunds. So it's not, maybe just below a pound. 17 kilometers. It says ThugRcStudios, full customized suspension, and there is no frickin' suspension on the front. They said this right here, full suspension, but no. That's what the shocks are. I'm gonna zoom in. Let's get you a zoom in. Right there's supposed to be the shocks, but not very good shocks. But then those are the ones they say you can customize. You probably can just make them look. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll do some running videos. Subscribe and like.